Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to make a quick video on the 997H by New Balance. These released on the 2nd of February 2019 and it comes with your grey New Balance box with a white logo at the lid. Pretty standard, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the New Balance 997H. You might be familiar with the S versions of the New Balance shoes like the 574S. While the S stands for sport, this time H stands for hypothesis. Probably the most New Balance name ever. As they approach the 30th anniversary of the 997, New Balance updates Stephen Smith's classic while keeping its design very close to the original. Side by side, I know, weird flex but okay, the 997H keeps that original shape and I would even argue it's a bit sleeker than the other two 997s. Along with further accents and the embossed New Balance branding on the midsole, the 997H switches out the dual density C-cap and N-cap sole for the latest ground contact EVA, also known as GC EVA sole technology. Rather than the sole being layered, this sole is injected to improve shock absorption. Other subtle changes include the nylon tongue tab, NB embroidered at the heel rather than New Balance, and what's cool is at the New Balance store, Oxford Street, London, they have a little photo booth session for this month, February, and each week you get a chance to win a free pair of these New Balance shoes. Anyway, back to the shoes. The 997 is one of my favourite New Balance models, but that £150, sometimes £200 price point, although justified, isn't the most affordable, but these cost just £75. Yes, collectors may notice the slightly larger silver 3M New Balance N logo that sits on both sides of the mid panel, and it's nothing special like the made in England or USA, it's all synthetic uppers. But this shoe is very well constructed, there's no glue stains, everything feels solid. Compared to the original 997, the 99H feels lighter both in weight and in the pockets. New Balance sole technology is my go-to for training, and I really like this GC EVA foam. It's really responsive and bouncy. My only concern about this is the long-term durability. It doesn't have the XAR 110 rubber outsole. We just have to see how it goes in a couple years. So here are my thoughts on the shoe. And yes, I know they had so many color options in store and I still chose grey. For me, you can't go wrong with a pair of grey kicks. So did any of you pick these up? Did you pass? Let me know if you have any further questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment hypothesis to show me you watch this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Heartface. I sell my stuff for an app called Depop, so you might want to follow me on there too. As usual, all other links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.